Nice. Time for an oil change. What's up guys? It's your boy at Bet Easy. What's going on? Today we're testing out the Ultra Ramps sold by Napa. Now this is a good set of ramps. It's gonna grip the snow. Thanks Napa for allowing me to test out this product. It already looks great. So a little bit of info about this guy. It's gonna give us 7.5 inches of space, which is a lot of room for an oil change, and actually anything else you want to do underneath the vehicle. Also, it has a capacity of 4,000 pounds axle weight and a capacity of 6,500 pounds total. So this will definitely do. Now just looking at it, it's gonna grip fairly well, I think. Compared to these guys over here, it pretty much slides all over the place. So let's unbox this baby. Good little box over here. Nice L shape. All right. Alrighty, nice and sturdy. See how it grips? Metal, can't go wrong. Nice and thick. Just to show you. It's gonna dig right in, right? So, compared to these other ones, which is good in the summer, but maybe not in the winter, it just slides, eh? Goes forward and back depending. So, right away, bam. Once this Jeep presses down on this, it ain't going nowhere. So here it is. Got some nice grooves in here. Nice and thick. So, right now, we're gonna do an oil change and test it out. All right, let's have at it. We got this Ultra Platinum from Napa as well. They sell these at a great price. 7 quarts, and you get everything from Napa. Ain't that great? Also, one more thing I'd like to add is the actual height. You can definitely see a height difference right there, right? So not only are we getting more room, we're getting a slidey boy, more grip, because this is pretty flat, and I think it's a bit safer. This is made out of plastic, this is made out of metal. So let's go ahead and do our oil change. So we got this set up. One thing about this is it's a little high for my lower Jeep, so this may not be a great setup for lower vehicles, but generally this should work for most vehicles. Now I added some wood at the bottom just to give me a little lift and get right over. So let's go ahead and check it out. We are good to go. Mounted nicely. It has a little indent at the bottom, or at the top I guess, that allows you to feel when to stop. But as you can see here, lots of room. So let's go ahead and have at her. So here we are. Right. Boom. What we're doing. It's right there. Right there. Look at all the room we got to do all these activities. I'm doing an oil change. We just did the oil filter. Should we just drain the oil pan? We're gonna stick it back on. But hey, not bad, eh? I actually like these ramps. guys, so there's the oil change, and this is the test run of these car ramps from Napa. Again, thanks Napa for letting me try these out. They worked great. They dug into the snow, they handled the Jeep, and it made my oil change a lot easier. So highly recommend these for any vehicle DIY connoisseur such as myself. And yeah, it gave me a lot of room, and you know what, I gave this a thumbs up. Link in the description for the link for these on the Napa website, napacanada.com. You can find it there. You could order it, or you could pick it up in store. So go ahead and check it out. Thanks again. Hope this helps, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.